guys, so we are going to go ahead and start making the scaled model of the constellation Orion. In your folder, you should have a sheet that looks like this. Okay, this is our constellation model pattern. You can see on this side, there is the more schematic version of it where it identifies the individual 8 stars that are going to make up our constellation Orion. And on this side, it is what we would see if we looked into the night sky. So you can see the brightest star right here would correlate to the star Betelgeuse. And the bright star down here in the bottom left corner would be the star Rigel. Okay, so the first step in this is you are going to cut out the 2 sides of this. Go ahead and make sure that you are saving both sides, okay? As you look at your model diagrams here, you can see from the picture that all the stars that make up the constellation are not the same size, okay? We can also see that all the stars are not the same brightness. And we can see that there are many more than 8 stars in the vicinity of this constellation. So all the stars on our model are not, in this picture are not a part of a constellation, okay? One thing that we can't tell by looking at this is how far apart all these stars are and what their relative distance is to Earth, right? When you look at an image like this, the stars appear very flat, and it's very difficult to tell which one may be further or closer to us, okay? So go ahead and cut out your 2 sides of your model pattern. You can follow along with me in your packet. The instructions for this are on page 23, all right? We are on the first one. Cut out the photo of the constellation and tape it onto the cardboard. Okay, so go ahead. Your materials may look slightly different than mine. The materials were all just what I could find on hand in a very short amount of time. Okay, so go ahead and take your one that looks like the actual stars, okay, and glue it on to your cardboard piece. Okay, and this is what we have.